Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's Girl Dynasty and I'm back again in another video. So today I am showing you guys how I'm gonna style this beautiful bomb ass wig, and it was sent to me by Eunice Hair, and I'm just showing you how well the knots are bleached and how well it just seamlessly blends with my skin. And this was pre-plucked. I didn't have to go ahead and pluck it. I did do the bold cut method underneath just to make the install more seamless, and then I'm gonna go ahead and start the process. But yeah, first things first, I decided to brush out the curls just to start off something. How do I explain it? I brush out the curls because I wanna straighten or hot comb this area, and this is what I do because it's just an easier method just to get the part in the way I want it to be. I'm gonna cut the lace. As you can see, I like to cut right in the middle and cut two sections in, as you can see, and then I'm gonna cut just the middle part off so I can see the lace properly, if that makes sense. And this is what I'm doing just to push back all the hair so I don't cut any of the actual hair itself. Now I'm going in with my first layer of lace glue, and I'm going to use a brush or like a end of the brush to smooth that and make that layer very nice and thin, and spread it evenly around that area so it dries completely clear and ready to be installed. I went ahead and stuck the first side, the side that I cut, and now I'm going in with the side, and this I believe is my right side, and I'm just positioning where I want the end tabs to be of my lace, just that it fits my frame very firm, very nice. And I'm just cutting off the excess ear tabs, as you can see, and I'm gonna go ahead with the lace glue and just stick that on. As you can see, the glue has gone completely clear, and now I'm gonna stick the lace onto the glue, and I'm going to position it where exactly what I want it to be, right in front of the glue, right there. And I'm just going to blend that in with my rat tail comb or my fingers and make sure it's nice and stuck. Now that my left side is nice and stuck, I'm going to press in the glue using my fingers, and I'm going to then cut off the excess lace, and I'm going to wrap my hair so that I can further melt the lace into the glue. I like to add 2 bands just to make it nice and tight, and yes, I'm going to lose some blood flow, but that's the beauty. Now that it's completely done, that step, I'm going to now, as you can see, the hair is nice and volumized. I'm now going to start off with the hot comb. I'm going to put the hair in the way I want it to be. I'm going to use my wax stick, first starting off the middle just to make it nice and flat, and then I'm going to style it to the side. This wig was a deep wave at 13x4, 24 inches wig, and I'm now starting off with my baby hairs. I like to part them into sections, and this is just my, what do you call this, my bottom baby hairs, my edge baby hairs, my ear baby hairs, I don't know, but yeah, I'm just parting that, making sure the area is nice and symmetrical with the other side. And I brought out my first baby hair, which is at the top where my side part will be. I like to make both sides symmetrical, and as you can see, I'm going in and just making sure I'm bringing out enough hair. I am going to pluck this side to make it less dense, but you will see exactly what I'm doing step by step. I went ahead and I glued the first edge together using my using my Gorilla Snot gel, and now I'm going to start off. As you can see, I'm flattening that side, making sure it's nice and flat, and you can see how well it just smooths in together. Like, this is why I decided to brush out the curls on this side. Now that both sides of the edges are done, I went ahead and I styled it in the side part, and I styled it in the side part from my right to my left, and I am now flat combing that area to make it nice and flat, hence why I brushed out the curls in the beginning. I use my wax stick just to make it nice and flat as well, and what that does is just it smooths out the hair as well as removes all the flyaways of the hair. And don't worry, I'm going to show you how it looks dry as it is now and wet. This just goes to show you how well the hair is and how good the quality of the hair is, because I was able to brush it out completely and kind of lose the curls, and then when I wet it, the curls come back, and look how bouncy that is. And this is just water, there's no conditioner, there's no mousse. This is how luxurious the hair looks. Look at the curls, how defined they are. It just looks so beautiful, and this is like an everyday look. The best wig to use, as see, you just have to add water to it. If you want the curls to stay longer, and I won't say longer, but want to retain the curls, I advise you to always use mousse, conditioner, and yeah, you can tell I was just feeling myself. Look how well I slayed this wig, like deep it. Look how well the lace blended into my skin. Look at the glue that I used. Like, I'm just so in awe of this hair because it just suits me so well. And the edges, the hair itself, and I believe this was, I believe it's 180 density or 200 density because how well and how full it was. I will link the hair details of this hair down below, and don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to check out Uni's hair on Instagram, TikTok. They have so many different social medias you can check out, which will all be linked down below. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time. Peace.